This year, everyone is focusing on big stocks and the S&P 500, but while the stock market is making all the headlines with extreme volatility, gold, the world's oldest and most trusted store of value, has been surging into a generational bull market of its own. Gold has been hitting new all-time highs month after month for more than a year, and is blazing through what analysts are now calling an unstoppable bull run. And today's stock has been absolutely crushing it this year and is up more than 150%. But before we get into the video, if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. So as I said at the beginning, everyone has been focused on the S&P 500 and the big stocks like Nvidia. But gold is quietly blazing through an unstoppable bull run. And there's one company that's been flying under the radar all year, despite gaining over 150%. US Gold Corp is a hidden gem with the potential to strike gold in a major way. So let me tell you about the company and why I'm excited about this opportunity. US Gold Corp is a US-focused gold exploration and development company advancing high-potential projects in Wyoming, Nevada, and Idaho. This is an emerging gold and copper exploration company positioned to benefit from the ongoing gold bull market. The company is looking to aggressively advance 3 world-class projects, and they have a fantastic track record of advancing these explorations. Their properties include the 100% interest in the CK Gold project, which is an advanced stage gold and copper project located in Wyoming. This project is located entirely on state land, making for an easier permitting process and more affordable annual leases. This project is one of the few permitted shovel-ready gold and copper endeavors in North America, allowing for a streamlined path to production. The Chalet Gold project in Idaho and the Keystone project is located on the prolific Cortez Gold Trend, one of the world's most highly prospective mineral trends, and has the potential for major upside. Over the past 50 years, the Cortez and Carlin trends in Nevada have produced more than 245 million ounces of gold. Now guys, before I look at the investor's presentation, I'm gonna have some time over the next few days to make some videos, but I want to know what videos that you want to see. We've had some huge successes over the past few weeks, such as Pltr going from $74 up to $96 for a 30% gain. Some of the penny stock trades have had upwards of 50%, and there's been a lot of interest in my recent Nvidia and SOFI updates. So guys, let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see more Pltr or more Nvidia? Or do you want to see more big penny stock plays? Over the past year, my 5 penny stocks to buy now series has had banger after banger. I've not made an April video yet, so if this is something you'd like to see, then like this video and drop a comment below. Or if there's any stock that you believe the market is sleeping on right now, then let me know. The stock you pick might even make it into my top penny stocks to buy now video. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see here the 3 projects. First, the CK Gold project deposit is a large tonnage gold copper deposit with high grade mineralization exposed at the surface with potential for expanding resources. The location of this project makes it accessible by road and rail, which is a huge plus. It has access to power and water, as well as equipment providers and manpower. This is prime location, and they are expecting near-term production. Just look at this, 1 million ounces of gold and 260 million pounds of copper and counting. 80% of historical drill holes end in mineralization or are not closed off laterally. The CK Gold project is considered a win-win for the state of Wyoming, whereas the Keystone project could be the next major gold opportunity in the Cortez Trend. This is an established gold mining jurisdiction, producing approximately 78% of US gold production. If Nevada was a country, it would be the 6th largest gold-producing country in the world. As it says here, Keystone exhibits many similarities to Barrick's deposit to the north. And when we compare Keystone and Cortez, we can see a lot of similarities. While there is also potential partnership opportunities at Keystone with industry-leading companies. and the Chalet Gold Project located in Idaho, which is ranked as the world's 8th best mining jurisdiction by the Fraser Institute. So this is all really impressive. The company is advancing high quality assets, and each one of these is believed to be a high potential exploration project with massive upside potential. Now, I've had comments in recent videos asking me to take a look at the financials of companies when making these videos. So this is US Gold's most recent financial statements. These were released last month. We can see here that they have a very strong balance sheet with over $26 million in assets and liabilities of just $8.5 million. Their asset to liability ratio is over 3-to-1, so this is very good. There is no major long-term debts. In fact, apart from the warrants, every other liability is under $1 million. Now, like most exploration companies, US Gold is still pre-revenue, but the company does have over $9 million in cash. US Gold Corp recently announced the results of an independent assessment conducted by Digby Limited. The BBB score achieved by US Gold was largely thanks to its CK Gold project. US Gold CEO George B said that the assessment shows that we can still do better, but overall the BBB rating at this early stage is a great endorsement that we are on the right track as we move towards development. Now, this is a guy who really knows what he's talking about, and I'll discuss that in a moment. While Digby CEO Jamie Strauss said the company is positioning itself to build long-term value while meeting the evolving expectations of investors and stakeholders. This is a crucial step in demonstrating leadership and resilience in today's mining landscape. And there is a link here to the full report, where it goes through the whole assessment and the positives and negatives that were found. I will put a link to this in the description below. This recent article on Seeking Alpha that is a very good read. US Gold Corp, solid gold developer with permits in hand. So it's stated here that CK Gold Project has just updated their PFS and the economics look very appealing. This shovel-ready development project will propel the company into a cash flow producing gold and copper miner. But this is the very interesting part, the valuation. We can see here that the feasibility study that outlines the expectations, but as the price of gold has kept going up, these figures quickly became outdated. If we use the current gold price, which has now increased to over $3,200, then the economics improve significantly. So this company should be seriously undervalued at the moment. So what do analysts think of US gold stock? According to 3 Wall Street analysts, the average price target is $11.50. There is a high price target of 13 and a low of 10. US Gold stock has no sell or hold ratings, but it has 3 buy ratings. The most recent of these was Roth Capital with a price target of $10 and a rating of strong buy. But we can see here that H.C. Wainwright and Alliance Global Partners also have price targets for US Gold, which were previously as high as $25. As gold has been on the rise over the past year, so has US Gold Corp. Gold has gained over 35%. While US Gold Corp has gained over 153%, which means it has outperformed gold 5-fold over the past 12 months. And when we look at Fintel, we can see a very clear picture. US Gold Corp isn't just being rated as a buy. Institutions have been loading up in the stock for nearly 2 years. Institutional ownership has more than doubled since June 2023. Now, if that wasn't impressive enough, mining stocks are always risky, so it's always worthwhile checking out the management teams that are involved in these companies. I know it might seem obvious, but a weak management team can destroy even the best companies, whereas strong leadership can drive a company to new all-time highs. And US Gold Corp have a world-class management team. CEO George B has managed multiple world-class mining projects in 8 countries for major and junior mining companies. He has taken several miners from development to production and recently was a senior vice president at Barrick Gold. He's also worked for Rio Tinto and Anglo American. Rio Tinto is the world's 2nd largest metal and mining corporation, while Barrick Gold is the world's 4th largest gold mining company. And this CEO was previously the senior vice president for Barrick Gold. Now, you don't leave these types of positions unless you are going on to something that is potentially massive. While the rest of the management team have decades of experience in the mining industry with other major global companies. So guys, what do you think of US Gold stock? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. There's a link to this investor's presentation and to the website in the description of this video, so check that out. And remember to vote on what videos you want to see over the coming couple of weeks. Like this video and drop a comment below. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. I hope you make a load of money on this stock. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next